Ansible is an open-source automation tool that provides a simple and efficient way to automate tasks, configuration management, and application deployments. It allows users to streamline and automate repetitive IT tasks, making it an essential tool for DevOps engineers, system administrators, and other IT professionals. With Ansible, you can manage your infrastructure as code, defining and deploying infrastructure and application configurations in a declarative manner. It works by connecting to remote machines through SSH or Windows Remote Management (WinRM) and executing commands or running scripts on them. As a result, Ansible offers a great deal of flexibility and control, making it an ideal choice for a wide range of automation scenarios. Some of the key features of Ansible include agentless architecture, playbooks, idempotent operations, inventory management, modules and plugins, and integration and extensibility. To conclude, Ansible is a powerful and versatile automation tool that simplifies the management and deployment of your infrastructure and applications. Its agentless architecture, playbooks, idempotent operations, inventory management, modules, and extensibility make it an excellent choice for automating tasks, configuration management, and application deployments. By leveraging Ansible's capabilities, you can save time, increase reliability, and improve efficiency in your IT operations. One of the main advantages of using Ansible is that it allows you to define and manage your infrastructure as code. This means that you can describe the desired state of your infrastructure in a declarative language and use Ansible to automatically configure and manage your systems based on this desired state. Infrastructure as code helps to automate the provisioning, deployment, and maintenance of your infrastructure, making it more reliable, consistent, and easily reproducible. Another advantage of Ansible is its agentless architecture. Unlike some other configuration management tools, Ansible doesn't require any agents to be installed on the managed hosts. Instead, it relies on SSH for communication, which means that you can start managing your systems with Ansible right away, without the need to install any additional software. The agentless architecture also reduces the overhead on the managed hosts, making Ansible lightweight and efficient. Ansible uses a simple and human-readable language called YAML for defining playbooks and configuration files. This makes it easy for both developers and system administrators to write and understand Ansible code. YAML allows you to express complex configurations and tasks in a concise and intuitive format, making it accessible to beginners and experts alike. Compared to other configuration management tools, Ansible has a relatively low learning curve. Its simple syntax, well-documented modules, and extensive community resources make it easy for newcomers to get started with Ansible. Additionally, Ansible has a large and active community, which means that you can find answers to your questions, share best practices, and leverage community-contributed modules and playbooks. Idempotency is a fundamental concept in Ansible, which means that the same playbook can be applied multiple times without causing any unintended changes. Ansible ensures idempotent operations by only making necessary changes to reach the desired state. This allows you to run your playbooks multiple times, making it easier to ensure consistent and predictable configurations across your infrastructure. Ansible provides a wide range of modules for managing different aspects of your infrastructure. These modules cover a variety of tasks such as package installation, service management, file operations, user management, and many more. The extensive collection of modules allows you to automate a wide range of tasks, making Ansible a versatile tool for managing infrastructure. Ansible can integrate with various existing tools and services, making it easier to incorporate Ansible into your existing workflows. Ansible can be integrated with version control systems like Git, allowing you to track changes to your Ansible code and collaborate with other team members. It can also be integrated with continuous integration, continuous deployment, CI/CD, pipelines, monitoring systems, and configuration repositories, enabling you to automate the deployment and management of your infrastructure alongside your application code. Ansible has been designed to scale and perform well even in large-scale environments. With Ansible, you can manage thousands of hosts simultaneously thanks to its parallel execution and efficient communication mechanisms. Ansible also provides various optimization techniques such as batching, pipelining, and asynchronous task execution, which help improve performance and reduce the overall execution time of your playbooks. Ansible is platform agnostic, which means it can manage a wide range of operating systems and cloud platforms. Whether you are using Linux, Windows, macOS, or a cloud provider like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud Platform, Ansible provides modules that can interact with these platforms and perform various tasks. This platform agnosticism allows you to manage your entire infrastructure using a single tool, regardless of the underlying platform. Using Ansible offers numerous advantages for managing your infrastructure. Its infrastructure as code approach, agentless architecture, simplicity, idempotent operations, extensive module library, and integrations with existing tools make it a powerful and flexible choice for configuration management and automation. Additionally, its scalability and platform agnosticism ensure that Ansible can meet the needs of both small and large-scale environments, making it a widely adopted tool in the DevOps community.